What do I do? Hey man, you need to help me, man. Come on. I think you should. No. There's one. No, calm down. My car. But where?
It's on the right
No.
side.
I think I'm going to die today. You know there's fire. Man,
Calm man, be calm.
what happened? My purse, my everything is there. Where do I go? Tell me, where do I go?
Go to the exit.
Where?
This was like we had gone to this bar party, so they had taught me.
Here?
First of all, no, not here, in Ramada. So they had taught me first of all you have to calm that person down, and then you can handle the situation.
Thank you. But थोड़ा और concern चाहिए था. You think अरे fire error रोज होता है. He was that casual. एकदम chill मार types था, but don't be. But yeah, ideally you can say sir please this way and उनको लेके जाओ. Don't keep listening to him. Start walking. तो उनको लगता है you are actually concerned about them. Who wants to come next? I'm not going to show you the situation. Reena, how about you? Okay. Let's say this happens with Reena. Reena is just escorting me to the table. Okay. So Reena, you can start from there, from the entrance to the table. You do that job, right? That's your job. You escort people to the table.
We don't escort.
Then you just show them. You ask them table for
Nothing.
We just take the tickets and we just have the plans and tell them about like the way to the hospital.
So you guide them.
Yeah.
You guide them. Okay. So fine. I'm at the. You're tying a bag to me, so you can stand here. So Salman can. The situation is this. Okay. So hi, this is my first time meet my family. Yeah. So what do I do?
I just need your ticket.
Oh, sure.
Can I have
Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Ticket. Yeah.
I need to tie it back.
Is there some
Yeah, you can sit over here. I'll call someone. You can have a seat. Sit. You can have a
आवाज से कॉल द सिक्योरिटी ambulance
Check the pulse.
check the pulse
पूछो तो क्या हुआ है?
अरे सोया है
What happened?
तो सीधा खड़ा
I'll call someone else and I'll tell to call the
खत्म हो गया
Alarm.
अलार्म का पानी बोतल ले
Thirty over among them.
But Reena, what should you do ideally? I don't know. Yes. So can somebody help her? Because this can actually happen. Heart attacks don't come only at the restaurant table
I just
and
know
not at the
one thing
entrance.
I've seen in Discovery that when the someone is suffering from heart attack and there's no one to help you, so you just have to jump in. You have to cough and
But
coughing.
that is for that person who's suffering.
Yeah.
But here you can't tell me, sir, jump. Sir. So what will you do here?
first check the pulse
I'll call someone
First
else.
check the
Like,
pulse.
Okay. But why didn't you do it yourself? What if somebody else is not there? What if he's busy? You can't keep depending on Shashi all the time. So why didn't you learn it yourself? Shashi, tell us. What can she do? She does not know. Hang on guys. Yeah, she does not know. So what should she do?
first call her for help
Okay.
check the pulse
Hmm.
if it's beating
Okay. Then
you can pick him up
can she pick me up
with the help
with help? Okay. Then
then whatever possible or call her for ambulance
I think ideally start with CPR.
No CPR. No CPR.
No CPR. No.
In heart attacks.
No.
yeah
unless and until we don't know.
So first of all, you have to call for an emergency.
But she doesn't know how to give CPR.
Yeah. For the emergency.
First
I
call for
know
ambulance.
that thing, what
Then
the CPR is, but I don't know how to, give
the problem.
the proper pressure on. on the chest.
5:3.
It's not 5:3, it's 15:1. 15
Yes, 15 is one.
and then one break.
One.
15 and then one
One
break. 30:2. So, yeah, that. But here, the breastbone.
Right in the middle.
You press 15 times, then you give one breath. 15 times, one breath. But if you're not trained on it, it's better you don't do it, because otherwise, you know, if there's a police case and all, then there are chances that, "Arey, isine maar diya." You know how people think. So the best is call for help, ambulance, inform someone, and stay with that person. Don't abandon him. Stay with that person. Again, don't let the crowd getting affected, because यहाँ पे अगर शो चल रहा है और किसी को शो में भी आ सकता है. So everybody starts, अरे बाप रे ये हो गया, you know all that. So keep that person, that problem situation away, and stay with that person. Don't abandon him, because अकेला जब रहता है तो और डर लगता है लोग. So stay with that person. Say don't worry sir, we are here or something like that. फिर कान में जाता रहता है. You know they don't go into coma. They can hear us. So stay with that person. That's what we can do. But ideally, Aksha, it will help if you conduct a CPR session for the staff as well. CPR and firefighting. I could also tell you some agencies who conduct that. Probably a one-day session would be really helpful for you guys, because these type of emergencies can happen anywhere, anytime. So सबको आना जरूरी है. Not only Shashi or not only this person. Okay. And ideally you can keep two, 3 people like that in each shift. So something happens that because you have different shifts, they can help. We call them fire marshals or CPR, like we have in the hotels. Okay, thanks. Who wants to come next?
Peter.
Teja.